Yeehaw! We got this thing open right here. Look at it. Oh, we got ourselves our battery. We got ourselves a bulb. We got ourselves a charger. We got ourselves some grid, or some gels and a grid set right here. We got ourselves a bare bulb head adapter right there. We got this lovely, well, I think it's a piece of crap, but we got this little thing that comes with it, this little umbrella bracket. Some of you might use it, some of them might be like me, and we're going to throw this in a box of crap, and then maybe think about using it for something else down the line. Got ourselves a little power cable right here to power that charger. We got our main unit right here. We got ourselves, it's got the Frizzell head on the end of it. Nice thing about this little case, we got ourselves a little zipper up here. That's nice. I really like that. Put them instructions in there if you think you need them. Of course, I know I don't need them because I keep all my instructions on the phone. Because then that way, if I need to access something that's already on my phone, don't have to go through no piece of paper crap. Because, you know, people don't like reading the manuals. And look at that pretty case. Oh, that case is pretty. Oh, let's take a look at that zipper. Let's take a look. Oh, look at that. See, it's really dark, but look at it. It's got that nice little rubber right there on the end of that zipper. Boy, that's nice. Got a little handle. Most people don't see the back of this bag, but there's a little belt loop right back there. You can put that on your stand. You can put that on your belt. Man, this is a nice looking little case. Nice little set right here. Well, I just have to say, yeehaw! This is Scott from California.